I'm here at the Titan 4000, and I'm sure you already know that this is a great machine for leathering. Park Industries and Blick teamed up together to produce a great tool. This tool is 11¼ inch leathering head. It accepts the Frankfurt style tooling. And a little fun fact is this was designed for the Titan 4000, but for all you Titan 3000 owners, it works great on your machine as well. I'm gonna pop this in, load our program, and then show you guys some leathering. Well, this Titan is a beast. You can do leathering, you can do sloping, drain boards, shower pans, and you can't forget about all the high production capabilities too. For those of you that are interested in leathering, we got that bigger brush, which makes things a lot faster. And if you need one, you can get it directly from us right here at Park.